In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a degree symbol in Canva. If you've ever found yourself designing a project in Canva and needed to include a degree symbol for any number of reasons, be it for a weather graphic, a math-related design, or maybe even just some creative typography work, then this is the right guide for you. Understanding how to seamlessly incorporate special symbols like the degree symbol can save you time and elevate your design projects. Let's start by navigating to the Canva dashboard. Once you're there, you'll need to either create a new design from scratch or continue working on a recent design. For this walkthrough, we're going to explore how to add the degree symbol into an existing design. So go ahead and click on your recent designs to open a project you've been working on. With your design open, your next step is to locate the Apps option on the Canva interface. It might be tucked away under a menu or clearly visible depending on your layout, but either way, you'll want to click on Apps. This feature enhances Canva's capabilities by integrating various tools and functions directly into your workspace. Once you've accessed the Apps menu, you'll need to search for Equations using the search bar provided. After typing in Equations and hitting Enter, you'll see the Equations app appear in your results. Click to open it. The Equations app is especially handy when you're looking to add mathematical symbols quickly without switching to another software. It's designed to integrate math right into your designs, which is perfect for our purpose of adding the degree symbol. Now that you have the Equations app open, you're ready to type your formula or any text that requires the use of a degree symbol. As you type, you'll see a palette of symbols and characters that you can insert into your text box. The degree symbol is often represented simply by a small circle, like a tiny zero positioned at the right height to denote degrees in a mathematical or geographical context. Once you've composed your formula or text, just hit the Insert button. This will add your equation, complete with the degree symbol, directly into your Canva design. You'll see it appear exactly where you need it, allowing you to scale, position, and style the text as you like within your design template. So there you have it. That's how you can seamlessly add a degree symbol to your Canva projects using the Equations app. By making full use of Canva's integrated tools, you can enhance your creative designs efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and keep creating beautiful designs with confidence. Thanks for watching.